What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today just a quick update of what's going on the homestead here. Some updates. We are obviously building here. Not me. I'm having a company come out here build a storage building for us. We need a place to store just a lot of extra stuff that we have in the house. You know how that gets. You accumulate a lot of stuff through life. My garage is just full of guy stuff. Okay, but here it's going to be more of a storage building for not only our freeze-dried food. We're going to put our freezers in here also. We have one large chest freezer and two smaller ones. They're going to go in here. Our freeze dryer is going to go in here. We're going to have a sink back by that back window to process and clean a lot of our vegetables in our garden. So we're going to have a sink back there, basically one of those big, kind of like almost like a commercial size sink with some cabinets. We have an extra washer and dryer we might end up putting in here too. It was one of those front loaders. We might end up putting those in here for extra, washing, whatever. And we're also going to have a bathtub here. What we're not going to have is a bathtub shower kind of combination. What we're not going to have is a toilet. I didn't want to spend the extra money to put another septic system in here. We have our septic system here, but it's too far away from this one. And it'd be a lot of piping to do to tap it into the existing septic. But that's basically what we're going to be doing in here. So it's going to be our freeze dryers that go in here, food storage for freezing, frozen food. All our freeze-dried food is going in here, and I have a gym also that I'm going to be putting in here so I can work out. Last year I was working out in the garage in the 90 to 100 degree heat, and that was pretty bad. So it's going to be nice in here. We're going to air condition it. We're going to have mini splits basically in here, and to cool it off it's going to be all insulated, of course. The room is going to be divided. We're going to divide it right in half. So this side is going to be for mostly the freeze drying, put our freezers in there and stuff like that, our gym and all that other stuff in there. This side here is going to be split in half again, and one side is going to be food storage and the other side is going to be whatever storage, We really needed this bad because our house is getting just packed with all that stuff I just mentioned. Plus we need to do a lot of renovation in our house. We need to do a lot of painting. We need to put new flooring in. There's a lot of, all the fascia boards around my house need to be replaced. A lot of work I got to do there, but first I got to finish this place. Once I get the building done, I got to finish the inside. Do all the framing and stuff like that. Electrical work and framing that I'm going to do myself to save some money. So that's going to take me a little longer. So I want to bring you to this website here by Mueller Inc. If you want to design your own metal building, this is a neat little tool to have so you can get a visual on what it's going to look like. You can, it's all 3D here. You can zoom in. So this is a building that I designed how I want it done. You can go around the building. This is the back side. This is one side here. And this is what I call the front side here. And over here, you can, do your lean-tos, overhangs, doors and windows, ridge vents, whatever you want. You can go here. Here's the windows and doors. These are all my windows and doors here. You can delete them or click on this and move them around here. Really nice tool to have to get a good visual of the building that you want. And it's very cool. You can zoom in and it brings you right inside the building, and you can move it around. And this is exactly the building that they're building for me. The only thing that's different a little bit is the windows. But other than that, it's the same building. So, and that's what it's going to look like. And the sink is going right here where this back window is. So yeah, very cool little tool. I just thought I'd put it out there. I'm going to put a link to this to my building here in the description under the video. And you can alter it, do whatever you want here. And if you register with this company, you can save it on their website and go to it later. So that's basically it, guys. A lot of work I got to do here in the coming weeks and possibly months. And I got to get this going soon. So they should be done with this building, I'm hoping within the next, say it's Thursday, we got tomorrow, and then probably, hopefully early next week. This went up pretty quick. What you see here went up in, I think, 3 days. Okay, the foundation was poured, and then I had to wait a few weeks before they can get here and start, you know, putting in the structure here, the metal structure. So it goes up quick once the guys get on it, and they're pretty fast too. So that's about it, guys, for this video. Just a quick update that I'm going to have my hands full working on this building and the gardening and all that stuff. Alright, guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.